Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I'm having a great day and I hope that you are too. Would you believe me if I told you that you can make 10 of these for under $5? 10 for under $5. Want to know how you can do it? Keep watching. Y'all, this is some serious stuff right here. I'm always on the lookout for beautifully posh papers that we can get very inexpensively. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you guys so much, so much for the wonderful ways that you support me and my channel. Y'all, these are gorgeous. I wish that I had worn a different colored top so that you can really see how beautiful this is. And because of this beautiful paper source, if I wanted to, I can make 10 of these for under $5. And I'm going to give you a closer look at these in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. Y'all, these are so stinking cute. Absolutely adorable and so easy to make. I love the gold trim that we have here. Here we have some gold trim here and gold trim here, and I didn't have to foil this or add the trim or anything because it is part of a new paper source that I am so thrilled to be able to share with you guys. It is truly some economical paper crafting, and using this paper because of the size, I was able to take one sheet and make a purse that is 6 inches across, 5 inches tall, and 2 inches deep. Y'all, this is a very nice size paper purse that you can use as a favor, to give a gift to someone. The options are pretty much endless. And one of the reasons why I am so thrilled to share this with you is because I want us to get out of the mindset of thinking that we have to buy pre-made papers that are specifically used for paper crafting, such as your 12 by 12s or your 8.5 by 11s. We don't always have to buy those. Paper is all around us, and we can use it however we want. There are no rules in crafting, so you can use whatever paper you want to use if you can make it work on your project. What am I using on this project? Can you see that word right there? I am using placemats, disposable paper placemats. I would never use these as placemats because they are simply too beautiful. I'm going to use them in paper crafting. Now I'm going to take them out of the pack so that we can get rid of some of that glare. So these are 10 by 14. I found these at PopShelf. I happened to be in PopShelf a while back, and I saw these and I picked them up because for me, this truly is craftable paper. And you get 10 in a pack, and I think it was $2 for the 10. So I automatically have 10 paper purses that I can make from this paper if I want. And why is that important? Because if you're planning any type of an event, and we're going into serious event planning season, and you want a cohesive look, this is one way that you can get it cheaply. So I got this from PopShelf, but you don't have to get yours from PopShelf. I did look on Amazon, and they have so many paper placemats, disposable paper placemats for you to choose from. Beautiful patterns, very inexpensive, and more than comparable to the per piece price that I paid for this. You can get 100 of the same type for $20. So that goes a long way. So don't think that you have to have this or you have to run out to PopShelf, or if you don't have a PopShelf, check out Amazon because they do have a beautiful selection of paper placemats. So let's go ahead and make this purse. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make, and then I'll also break down the cost. This is 20 cents. So we're about to make a purse for 20 cents. If we don't want to add anything else to it, we're making a purse for 20 cents. So I'm going to bring in my scoreboard and my 10 by 14 inch piece, and on the 14 inch side, we're going to score this at 5, at 7, and at 12. My scoreboard does go to 12 1/4, so I am able to score at 12. If you're not able to score at 12, after you make the score at 7, just take your paper, slide it over to 4, and go ahead and score 5 inches from that at 9. So if you have a scoreboard that'll let you score at 12, your scores are 5, 7, and 12. If you don't, then you're going to score at 5 and 7, and then we're going to take that score at 7 and just align it with the 4, and we'll score 5 inches over from that at 9. Then we're going to take this on the 10-inch side, and we're going to score at 2 as far as we can go. Then I just need to flip it this way, score at 2 as far as I can go to complete it. Then I'm going to rotate it to the opposite 10-inch side, score at 2 as far as I can go. Then I'll flip it and we'll score at 2 again. So I'm going to set this to the side for just a moment because I like to go ahead and make my handles. Now the pink paper that I'm using, it's really a lightweight to a medium weight cardstock. I was able to get 25 in a pack at Tuesday Morning. The 25 in a pack was $2.99 or $3. And I'm going to line it at 1. So I would be able to cut 10 1x12-inch strips, and I would still have this piece left over. And I'm going to use this piece, so I'm going to go ahead and take it, and we're going to cut it down to 2 pieces of 6 inches. So basically 1 sheet of paper will cost us 12 cents. And from that, I'm able to cut all 10 of my strips, and then what I'm doing with the scrap is completely optional. So now we're going to go ahead and take that piece that measured 1x12. On the 1-inch side, we're going to score at 1/2 inch because we need to make our handle. I'll go ahead and fold, and then I'll just add some glue to the handle piece like this. And I'm doing this now because I want that glue to have a chance to harden and dry. So I'm just going to take my big old spatula. You can run it along your desk or your bone folder, completely up to you. But basically we're going to let this dry so that when we do fold it on the purse, it doesn't crease. So there is my handle. I'll set it to the side because we're going to make the bag. So now we can bring the bag back in, and we can fold and burnish all of our score marks. And this placemat is sturdier than regular lightweight scrapbook paper, so it is a good weight to be able to make a gift bag, a purse, or if you wanted to back it with some cardstock, you can make it even sturdier and turn this into a box. So now all we're going to do is I am going to go to the score mark here and here, and we're going to cut out those tabs. So let's go up to the score mark, drag straight down to free those tabs, and we'll do the same thing here. Drag straight down to free the tabs. Then we have this flap here. There's a score mark. This time we're going to cut in this direction. So you can see how I have these this way and these this way. That's all we need to do. So now we're going to put the bag together. I am going to use glue. Please use whatever it is you have. I'm going to add some glue to these tabs right here. Then I'm going to add some glue to this piece, and I'll go all the way to the top with my glue. And we'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to go ahead and put that glue like that. Now we can just put the bag together. So I am going to get those ends nice and even by joining them to that tab. Do the same thing over here. Now I'll bring this piece up. It's going to be very easy because I'll tuck that in right there and I'll know that I have a good fit. Let me just slide that back so you can see what I'm doing. We're just going to bring it over like this. Take this piece and tuck it in. Now I can just go in with my bone folder and we're going to get everything nice and stuck. And so y'all, there is my purse body. I am just going to trim this a little bit because I don't want it to be as wide as it is. It's 2 by 6, but I want it to be just a little bit less than that, so I am just trimming off some of it. So I am just going to add a little bit of glue, and I'm only adding this piece because I want the firmness there. It's not a piece that you have to add to yours. My bag is going to be a functioning bag even if I don't add this, but I am adding it. So I'm just going to go ahead and get that nice and stuck. Then I'm going to take this second piece and I'm going to trim away a little bit of that, because I'm going to take it and put it on the inside here like that. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm adding some Velcro and I just want a little bit more heft to the area where the Velcro will actually be placed, and the pull apart point, I want to make sure that we have a little bit of something to grab onto. So I am placing that piece in like that, and you can see it right there. Go ahead and get that nice and stuck. And again, I started with 2 pieces that were 2 by 6. So now we can take our bag, put our fingers in here, and we can just pinch into a nice little purse shape. And then I can fold over right there. There's our purse. So now I'm going to take my Velcro. You get 20 Velcro dots in this pack for $1.25. I think that works out to about 6 cents for each pair. You get 20 pairs in a pack. So I have my Velcro dot and I am going to place it down. Now the way that I place my Velcro is the soft side, not the rough side, but the soft side is what I place on the latch that I will be lifting. Then the rough side is what I place down. And the reason why I do that is because I want to make sure that when I am lifting, I'm pulling that softness away from the rough, because I know the soft isn't going to lift this piece here. But if I was to put the rough end here and the soft end here, when I lift, the rough end is so strong that it can actually lift up that soft end. So that's why I lay my Velcro dots like that, but you can do it however it's going to work for you. I am just burnishing that in to get a really good stick. Now I can fold over. So now I'm going to bring the handle in. It's nice and hardened, and we're just going to put it on like this so you can see how I have it on the back, and it'll look like this from the front. I will just add some glue here. And some glue here. And then I'm just going to take these two and put them on like that. I am going to add some clips just to hold it into place so that I don't have to hold it. So I'll just take my clip and we're going to put one there. And then we're going to put one here and give that glue a chance to dry. And while that's drying, I'm going to bring in some pre-made gift tags, and that is what I'm going to use as my decorative element. 20 in a pack for $2, so each one cost me 10 cents to use. Then I have these stickers. I believe these stickers came from Hobby Lobby. They were on clearance and I probably paid 75 cents for them. Look how many are on here. So really, to be able to use a sticker, it's costing me next to nothing to be able to use. So I am just going to find a little sticker that we're going to put on here. And I think I like this one that says, "Speak from the heart if you want to be heard." I'm going to put that right there. And then we'll just take the smile and I'm going to put it at a slight angle like that. So all of the decorative part, I'm not even including in the cost of making the bag, because how you choose to decorate your bag is going to totally be up to you. But I wanted to show you how the construction of the bag can be made for pennies, and then how you can make 10 of these for under $5. So to finish off my tag, I'm going to take some crinkle seam binding and I'm just going to feed it through. And then I'm just going to take it and tie the tag to the handle of my bag. And now I have another beautiful bag. You can take this bag and dress it up even more. You can add a little brooch there or a little gem just to give it more of a purse front. But I am just going to leave mine as is because I really do like how this looks. And y'all saw how easy it was to make it. So there we have it, y'all. We have these beautiful, beautiful springtime bags that can be used for so many different occasions and were made so inexpensively. Find you some of those beautiful disposable placemats on Amazon if you don't have a pop shelf and give this project a try. I think that you will love being able to make multiples of the same type without having to spend a fortune for various sheets of paper. You'll already have 50 to 100 if you purchase it from Amazon. But I'll bet you if you're in the United States and you go to Walmart.com, they'll have some of these as well. Target.com probably has them too. But no matter where you get them, y'all have fun with this project because I know that you're going to love it. And if you've liked this video, certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.